Welcome to our final week of distance learning for the spring semester of 2020. This is what our Schoology page should look like at this point. You got your due dates over here, and these are all the folders that we have had assigned. When you look at this week's material, final week, the instructions basically say this week is dedicated to getting all missing assignments completed, and ultimately, the main assignment that should have carried over were these final service learning articles. It was the last set. I was going to assign one per week. You have to do 3 total. So really, these are the assignment for this week. But really, when you go back and you look in your grade book, what you're looking for are any assignments that are worth a lot of points that you don't have a grade for. If there's no grade there, that means you haven't completed enough of the assignments for me to give you credit. All right, if I put in the actual grade, your grade would go down, and that's not allowed. So if you want to help yourself get your grade to go up the most, find those assignments that just are ungraded right now, open those folders and figure out what you hadn't done yet. And if you finish those assignments and submit them, I'll still give you full credit for doing the work. All right. So other than that, the only thing that you have to do this week, I have 5 discussion questions. We're going to do 1 per day. If you miss a day because you had somewhere to go or you're working, that's fine. They will be available through Monday, June 15th. So if you want to do 1 every day, that's great. I'm not asking you to comment on anybody else's posts. Just you'll comment, you'll make your answer. I will respond to you, and if I ask you any questions, just check back, and we can discuss the things that you had said. So I'm going to release 1 of these per day. On Monday, I'll release the Lives Matter protest question. On Tuesday, the systemic racism question. On 3, question about federalism and how it's been currently used. Thursday will be the COVID-19 question, and then Friday, a final discussion about distance learning, how it's gone. It was the first question I asked you when this first started was, what are you most concerned about? Well, now that you've done it, I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. All right, so those will be your assignments, and that is all you have to do. So if you have any questions for me, send me a message through the Remind if something's unclear, if you're not sure about a grade or anything like that. But just try to, especially if we have any bad weather days or rainy days, just jump on here and try to get some stuff done. It can only help your grade. All right. Take care. Be safe. Hope to see you soon.